Hey party people, welcome back to the channel. So this is part of my basement remodeling series, and I am in the process of replacing these two flute vents that were for the water heater and the heater that was down here, gas-fired heater. So hopefully get these two chimney stacks out and then replace it with brick, get this all fixed up. I'm in the process of drywalling, taping, mudding, and then finishing the floor. Maybe do a video on those. So I'm going to set up a time lapse here. You can watch me tear this madness out. Alright, back to you soon. And here we have the finished product. So not much to say about this. I think it kind of came out okay. Wasn't going for a complete match obviously, because we're going to be doing some finishing coat over this, either paint or plaster or something, drywall, something to kind of cover up the rough brick. I'm not really interested in scraping the paint off, and it looks pretty ugly with the paint on there, so we'll be doing something else. The bricks underneath here are actually yellow. So these were, I mean, who knows where they got these from, right? Original from the house in 1930s. But they had two different styles of bricks, right? So you had some red bricks on the outside, and then these yellow bricks were scattered randomly throughout the house in different places. And so this brick that broke off here was yellow on the inside, and this one here you can see where the paint has kind of come off. But I had these leftover red bricks, so I think they filled in nice. Did okay with the joints, got some different sizes, but not a big deal. Playing with mortar is fun, a little bit different than painting and all the other stuff. It's kind of neat to do something a little bit different like this. I had a good time, get this one finished, on to the next project. Alright, talk to you later. Remember, this world is made of love and peace.